Our investigation found some of their airfares were eye-popping. Round-trip first and business class for the airport COO, over $19,000. For another DIA exec, his ticket just under $16,000.
Disbelief?
That's what went through Rob Laney's mind when he saw those costs. He works with this travel site, finding business class fares at cut-rate prices.
We just don't see people paying $10K to go to Europe 2 months in advance in April. I mean, those are the numbers you see a week before the flight under duress.
DIA CEO Phil Washington approved of those flight costs.
The policy allows that. And so we took advantage of that.
Don't those prices seem a little bit extreme to you?
Well, again, international travel is costly.
DIA's travel policy allows for those expensive upgrades on flights over 8 hours. And the federal government requires workers to fly coach unless the flight is over 14 hours or there's another critical reason for an upgrade.
Whatever you want to pay, they can gladly take.
Rob Laney says the DIA crew should never have paid more than about $10,000 for those round-trip flights and likely could have done it for half that much.
$4,500 to $5,000.
Thank you.
He says one factor that drove the costs up, no Saturday night stay. A Saturday night stay generally decreases flight costs.
Laney also said travelers seeking inexpensive seat upgrades need to be constantly checking with airlines as upgrade costs consistently fluctuate.